The PM2 machine by Bond Technologies is catered towards the production market. We've chosen to minimize as many aspects of what is necessary to make friction stir welding down to just the right size for the types of parts that this machine is intended to weld. That allowed the machine to be small and agile and fast in its production usage. Bringing all that together and turning it into a cost-effective package is what we now call the PM2. Bond believes that the PM2 series machine is well suited for the markets that are beginning to electrify all of this world, from electronic modules to battery packs to any number of applications. If the part fits in the machine, it can weld it. Bond has built a number of these PM2 machines already. The production coming off of these machines is at a higher rate. This machine is going to help production facilities make their parts fast with consistent, traceable quality. This is a stepping stone of Bond's future as we bring newer technologies and newer process control algorithms into production.